Let's focus in then on Reliance Industries, and we do have some news which is coming in regarding the same, that it has moved the Supreme Court on the KG-D6 case. Let's take it straight to our policy editor Supriya Sheenet, who has all the details. Supriya.
Avan, this really is a preemptive move by Reliance Industries. Remember, this entire issue boils down to cost recovery and whether it should be restricted for the fall in output from KG-D6 basin. Reliance had invoked arbitration. They had appointed an arbitrator, Justice S.P. Bharucha, a former Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India. The government in its turn refused to appoint an arbitrator, stating that as of now there is no case for Reliance invoking any legal recourse at this moment, and which is perhaps why Reliance has gone ahead and filed a case in the Supreme Court asking for the court's intervention for the appointment of an arbitrator in this particular issue. Remember, Reliance was committed to drill about 31 odd wells. They have drilled only 18 because there has been a water reservoir, and which is perhaps why this is a preemptive move by Reliance Industries, because the government in no written communication anywhere with either with legal ministry or with Reliance Industries has said that it is looking to restrict cost recovery from KG-D6 basin. It has threatened RIL to do so in verbal dialogues, but it hasn't put it down in order. So this really is a preemptive move.